Welcome to our channel. Today we how to improve SEO metrics with Ahrefs step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your Ahrefs account. Navigate to the Site Explorer tool located in the top menu bar. Enter the URL of the website you want to analyze in the search bar, then click on the search button. Once the report loads, examine the overview section for key metrics like domain rating and backlinks. Next, click on the Organic Keywords tab to see which keywords your site currently ranks for. Focus on keywords with high search volume and low competition for better optimization opportunities. To discover new keyword opportunities, navigate to the Keyword Explorer tool in the top menu. Input a relevant topic or seed keyword in the search bar and explore the suggested keywords. Use filters to narrow down your search based on metrics like search volume, keyword difficulty, and clicks. After identifying potential keywords, create or optimize existing content around these terms. Now, head to the Content Explorer tool in Ahrefs to find popular articles in your niche. Enter your target keywords or topics to find high-performing content. Analyze the top contents, backlinks, and social shares to identify potential link-building opportunities. Next, go back to the Site Explorer tool and navigate to the Backlink Profiles section. Review the links pointing to your website and identify any low-quality or toxic links. Consider disavowing those toxic links if they negatively impact your SEO metrics. Now, focus on building high-quality backlinks by reaching out to relevant websites in your niche. Create a list of potential sites for guest blogging or collaborating on content. Use the Rank Tracker tool to monitor the performance of your targeted keywords over time. Set up alerts to notify you of significant changes in rankings or backlinks. Finally, review your SEO metrics regularly and adjust your strategies based on your findings. Continuously improve and refine your SEO efforts to achieve better results. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.